You don't need to feel weak, stiff, or tired just because you're over 50. You don't have to lose your muscle, your energy, or your independence. But if you don't act now, you might. Stay with me until the end. This information could change how you age. In this video, you'll discover why muscle loss happens with age, the hidden factors that no one talks about, what you can do right now to reverse it, and I'll reveal the most important factor, one that can sabotage everything, at the end. Muscle is more than aesthetics. Muscle isn't just about looks. It's about strength, balance, posture, blood sugar, hormones, and even brain health. When you lose muscle, you lose functionality. And that affects your entire life. What is muscle loss? Muscle loss is the gradual decrease in strength and lean mass over time. When this loss becomes severe and affects your mobility in daily life, we call it sarcopenia. But it's not inevitable. And it's not irreversible. Common causes of muscle loss. After 50. So why does muscle loss accelerate after 50? Let's look at the real causes and how they often go unnoticed. Low protein intake. With age, your protein needs increase, but most people eat less. Sometimes it's poor appetite, bad digestion, or simply old habits. Less protein, fewer building blocks for your muscles. Sedentary lifestyle. If you don't use your muscles, your body will break them down. Walking is good, but it's not enough. You need resistance, effort, and recovery to stimulate growth. Mitochondrial decline. Narration. Your mitochondria are your energy factories. If they're weak, your cells, including muscle cells, can't regenerate properly. Aging, poor sleep, toxins, and nutrient deficiencies all impair them. Chronic inflammation. Hidden food sensitivities, poor gut health, and toxins can create silent inflammation. This blocks muscle recovery and increases muscle breakdown, even if your diet and training are on point. Poor sleep. Most of your recovery happens while you sleep. That's when your body releases growth hormone and repairs muscle fibers. If you're not sleeping deeply and consistently, you're not building muscle. You're losing it. Stress and catabolism. This is the most ignored and maybe the most damaging factor: chronic stress. Long-term stress keeps cortisol high, and cortisol breaks down muscle, blocks digestion, reduces nutrient absorption, and inflames the gut. That's called catabolism, your body eating its own muscle. Even with good food, workouts, and sleep, chronic stress can keep you stuck. What to do in practice, divided in scenes. Prioritize protein. Prioritize protein in every single meal. Choose eggs, fish, tofu, pumpkin seeds, or bone broth. Every bite counts. Improve digestion. Support your digestion. Chew slowly, manage stress while eating, and consider apple cider vinegar or lemon water before meals. Eat, and train with intention. Train your muscles with intention, but don't skip recovery. Remember, training stimulates your muscles, but it's during rest that they actually repair, rebuild, and grow stronger. Without proper recovery, even the best workout plan won't work. Lift weights or use resistance bands 2 to 4 times a week. Progressive overload is key, and safety matters. Sleep like it's sacred. Sleep like your life depends on it, because it does. No screens before bed, no heavy meals, and a consistent bedtime routine. Deep sleep, builds muscle. Reduce inflammation. Reduce hidden inflammation. Eliminate common triggers like gluten, A1 casein, sugar, and additives. Heal your gut, and your muscles will follow. Correct deficiencies. Get your labs checked. Vitamin D, B12, magnesium, zinc, and ferritin are essential for muscle growth. Supplements help, but only with guidance. The most important thing: manage stress. Manage stress before it manages you. Manage stress and reflect on the things you no longer need to go through. Try meditation, deep breathing, walking in nature, or journaling. Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference. Scene 13. Closing message. Losing muscle after 50 is not your destiny. With the right actions, you can rebuild strength, energy, and confidence. This isn't about vanity. It's about freedom. If you care about your health, your future, and your independence, now is the time. You can do this. If you're ready to take the next step and support your body at a deeper cellular level, check the first comment below. There you'll find a link to the 7-step method I personally use and recommend, designed to help you restore energy, strength, and focus from the inside out. You'll also see the mitochondrial support I trust. Everything's right there in the first comment. Give it a try, and let me know how it works for you. Everything's right there in the first comment. See you soon. See.